Here I've got Motorola Moto G8 Plus, and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to pick battery, and now go to the battery saver. And if you would like to activate it, just click on turn on now. And as you can see now, power saving mode is active. You can see the red lines on the battery icon, which means that you are currently in low power solution. Then if you would like to switch off this mode, just click on turn off now, and now it's deactivated. You can also set some automatic rule. All you have to do is tap on this switcher, and now pick if you would like to have this mode to be activated at, for example, 26% of the battery. So from now on, every time your battery is lower than 26%, then power saving mode will be automatically activated. Let me choose, for example, 10%. And then just leave it this way. So from now on, every time my battery is lower than 10%, power saving mode will be automatically activated. You can also quickly activate battery saver through the upper bar. Smoothly slide down the upper bar and click on battery saver icon. As you can see now, it's active. And then to switch off, just click on the same icon one more time. So actually that would be all, so you can smoothly and easily activate low power solution in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.